Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be helping Low Man clean up his room. Keep watching. think we did a great job. Pack all his books and stuff. My son is very, very good at drawing. Very, very good. I got this from Home Depot, I believe. And I just put it on myself. It came in little pieces and had all these little pieces around. This I think I got from Ross. That's what he said he wanted. So that's where we put it. I still think the room is a little empty, but he's a boy. He really don't care. He don't hardly sleep in here anyways. So I got this bunk bed from my local furniture store. It was like around $300. That was probably like around 20 bucks for that. And the bed was like around 300. And then the bed sheets and stuff I think I got from Walmart or Ross. And then this one, we call him Sashes. We got him from a thrift store over in Delaware County. So yeah. Okay, we're gonna do this real quick because I don't have much space. So yeah, we're done. So his room is just nice and simple. I didn't put much in here. And that's about it. Half of his shoes is downstairs, guys. So yeah, those books he don't use anymore. His jackets and stuff. All his clothes and stuff is in the drawer. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for cleaning up with us today. We'll see you next time. Yeah.